Hey, use there. It's me, Computer Glitch. Glitch is brought to you by Computer Secrets, Confessions of a Computer Tech, the best PC help book ever written. Computer Secrets Confessions is available on Amazon. I'm also brought to you by ShopMiniMall.com, where members gain access to over 1,000 businesses, all providing discounts on products and services. This can be a computer user's worst nightmare. You hit the power button and nothing happens. Any number of things can cause this computer problem. It may be something as simple as a loose cord or as serious as a dead power supply. Check the surge, make sure it's on. Another common PC problem is when the computer turns on and the fan and lights come on but the machine doesn't boot or shows a blank screen. This could be anything from a dead monitor to a bad hard drive or bad boot sector or bad motherboard. If you got any fancy pants comments on this or any other post here, let me know. Remember, there's no bad computers, only dope and dope-ed users. Peace.